What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. So I promised you guys the other day that I would show you that I needed to change out this throttle. Check it out. It's very corroded. I went ahead and I purchased a new one, as you can see here. Very spiffy. So what we're going to do is use the existing cables that are attached to this throttle, and we're going to hook them up. Let's take out the 4 screws that are holding it in. Just using the drill to do that. And you'll see here that this slides out. Now, it is a little tight. The cables are only so long. So if you notice here, you take these off, there's three little screws in the side covering. Well, this is what displays your cables and all that good stuff. As you can see there. So what we have to remove, guys, are these cables here. We have to take out this pin, and we're going to ultimately replace them. I may just keep those on there. They came with new ones, but why switch them out if we don't have to? So if you open this up, you'll see essentially the same thing. So there's a couple more screws right here on this bracket that you got to take out. So like on the new one, or like on the old one here, this is what that's supposed to look like. These are the 2 screws that you would remove. And once you do, it should open right up like this. That bracket comes off, and voila. Then there's your piece. So now what you want to do is you want to open this up, and you want to remove the E-rings. There's 2 little E-rings, as you can see right here. This is an E-ring. So I'm just gonna, you want to be careful because it's gonna want to, there you go. See that? That slides off. And then now this is going to allow you to pull that off. And then there's another one back here in the back that you want to get. Try not to lose it. There it is. And then now that one should pop off, just like that. Now these should just slide out right from the bottom. And there you go. And that pops right out. Alright guys, so what I'm doing is I'm actually just going to cut these zip ties. Steph brought me some jank things here. Alright, there's one. Hopefully I don't cut the wires. I forgot my cutters, guys, so my fault. I wasn't really prepared. I wasn't even sure if I was going to do this today, and I decided to do it today. Because I was going to have Chris film me on the good camera where y'all could actually see some things, but y'all know how impatient I can get. And we're going to rehook in this new one down here. See if it actually goes into this plug here. Looks like it goes in fine. So we're going to put that, run that up to the new unit, and then we're going to run that cord, zip tie everything back. So that's where we'll be here. Let me show you. So now, guys, this comes right out just like that. I'll go ahead and start putting in the new one. So it's fairly simple, it's fairly straightforward. You do exactly what you did to take the old ones off, put the new one on. So let's do that. Clean up around this edge a little bit. So the two E-rings got to go back on. So drop that one. Alright, got that one. I gotta go get my E-ring I just dropped. There we go. She popped on. Man, he was wanting to give me a run for my money there. It's all good. Now what you want to do is put your side plate back on. That lines up perfectly. Make sure it all lines up. Don't over tighten. Boom shakalaka. Make sure you do the 3, 1 in the center, 2 down below. Put the little gasket on under it. I don't know how much this is gonna do for it, but it says put it on there, so we'll put it on there. These screws are a little bit larger than the ones I ran it prior, so that's interesting. Sucker's pretty firm. So guys, now I'm just going to go under and put the washers and the screws on the bolt. I don't think you guys need to see that. It's pretty self-explanatory. Alright guys, that's a wrap. I installed the new throttle, as you can see here. Nice and pretty. Everything's locked in and secure. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below, and share. I put this video up thinking maybe it could help somebody. I haven't seen one specifically for the Honda on YouTube. So if it helps, great. If you appreciate it, give a thumbs up. Sorry it wasn't with the good camera, but I was out here by myself today. Until next time guys, I'll see you on the water.